Hello. Welcome to Bird of the Day. Today's bird is the red-winged blackbird. These guys are widely known and quite common. This is going to be an easy bird of the day. I decided to hit up Big Johnson Reservoir. It's an oasis of fresh water in a dry, hilly climate. The place has been taken over by prairie dogs. They'll make a good snack for a baby bald eagle in the spring. As I walked, I saw a northern harrier, a red-tailed hawk, a northern shrike, a red-tailed hawk, a herd of pronghorn, an uncountable number of seagulls. Alright, count those. Somebody count all of them. One of my favorite bonus birds. See those long spurs on their heels? They use those to run fast in dry sand and dirt. I walked a ton, but ultimately, the Big J failed me. I fell back to a pond that was down the street from my old middle school. It had cattails and reeds. Should be perfect habitat. All was quiet for several hours. But just as the sun began to set, our birds flew in. And that was a successful bird of the day.